Say what I say, or he not getting your duma, but for cancer, a thousand, what I say. Because to him, ye or see a day, Sinicity be an ebe fat. As often as Sinicity be every day be fat. Or no, a hustler. Kwa hustler be Hazu Germany, and a woman braboni so. Into so no catch us every far, as just any pay no tea no now ginity. What I say. So in the video, no, this is the first tone. What I say, me link video description. I say, corner then I call video, no, that's what you want. Then you share to your family or friends. Say, yeah, or almost no bet me experience in this video. No. So big ups to the man king or hina wabada or hina nagrenye or hina nagrena. I say the king of YouTube and Facebook Live. The beer with the whole 24/7. What I see. Come back to another episode of Day by Day DBD. The beer one you see, the beer one you tear, the beer one then you what I say. Well, today's episode, Sa acquire Shatta Wale. SM for life. Shatta movement. Sama Yankasam. Oh yeah, Nima Mia bro. Nima Mia bre pa. Because Oibia Kasa, na swear ding. Everyone say nipa wakodi pa de bia de osola cause trouble kwana pese okoso de bia no pese we den okoso na no ada wo wakoto ka waya de wato ka nkrofo akeka say wo hanye bateno de mintimi nkire ba wato ka Davido Nigeria artist ono so akoto ne customers car eno so nka problem ni say what told you also what on the old one go to my day. Old one echo to my day. Shatta Wale, as Uncle Kiregu in the Snapchat say, or no, dear, or no, or you sue Hozu money, or do Hozu money, or no Cassan Oko Street and Oko Hozu when you're in Sika. Now money the already on dinner papaska, and ya dear papa, Abba Abre Ajanho, and no more and no odi. Now, one can say, Sika wedding, Odi. But, Sabi doing me, I might say, Main Cassan for home. But, Nigeria gossip me. Do you almost secure on my caption? No, and nothing I am a mappa, never some Becca found. Nigeria gossip me. Some caption now, Mukiru under Shatta Wale and Davido. Shade nice or throw or Davido. Caption na mo twere gu ase no na ese mo san ko back na mo ko edit na mo film ida se mo we delete video no anase post no na ma repost to anase mo be editing because it's too bad. So I said the whole Ghana musician as one of the Ghana best artists and as a Grammy nominee want me friends say upcoming artists. Come on bro, come on. Given tia over Ghana artists as a whole Shatawale. Now what post ni pictures and I say ni comments or comment on the tweet. Now what you say popularly upcoming artists. Shatawale upcoming artists. I say the whole Shatawale or a Grammy nominee. Only Bena boy and Ekro. Only Bena boy you one category. Now who friend is say upcoming artists. Now who friend fresh Shatawale upcoming artists are. Then I wipe was over friend saying. Come on, I won't say all of us in India, a Jumana, but as a Ghana blogger and announcer, you tolerate this kind of nonsense. Because as a Nigeria, I gossip me Niger. Gossip me Niger. Who comment now come o man war, sir, Shatawale, on it David and I say, no, you need to eat no coach and us in a snap now. Or got to the guas here, ever David on the car now at on Sa come as description you know trend there e say question san firi ho because the whole Ghana artists no want to mean ko friend no say I upcoming artists Shatawale say no say you Ghana best player or can who be even the whole Africa only best player or can who be ndi dem at this campus no friend say upcoming artists. That's wrong. Wrong cra into no Niger gossip me. I say like or comments and I say post now here on Instagram so to me then etimi quite editing and I'm some you so a cheaper logo on so post no ne Instagram page so traffic lighter your soon no. Oh come on your soon board your soon do they say there's no soon traffic lighter come Africa you go one was here you go your money mass papa na traffic light you know o hwe de your money asum na enti so de care ba traffic light na so obeda hu say traffic light na so say you aduma say enya aduma obeda hu as a nation not a community as a nation not a region as a nation you're part of continent na saloma you kosoa you care over more from 1957 any independent yebedi over years intimika kuliti no ma entutu ye no ma ye which is very bad. What I say yeah Nigeria wha so be very very sorry Nigeria Chief of Army Staff Ibrahim sorry it's a bad news it's a bad news Elkoma Nigeria Chief of Army Mr. Ibrahim when you plane clash but me ko hear description box na say me ko read some of me timi hu ade corona esi happen here but a plane clash army for omo sa private jet ni bi no na I don't know say omo kopatanto ko say omo kwa kokun say like I don't know minim ni si ya edi sa plane crash na edi sa clash na ba ya Nigeria Chief of Army Ibrahim Mr. Ibrahim waka that part of plane clash na ho oni some of the ni colleagues for ni bi na say ono mo ye adwuma ni bi no na omo afirimu and well yes and hwade o ha say Ghana on your social media system I like omutimi creatia DB I don't know minim omo website omo any kwan for so munya omo info say journalists for ni na omo adwuma yi o say nsentwerefo no ana say omo a reporters for no na omo nya omo adwuma yi ekropa wuntimi hu what I say do you know say that girl na owu wo I was nwan sa Miracle Prepare School no owu ye no that girl my shadow say me person me special video because say yen shadow hu asem no kore na ewo mu just na make asafa ho na mo hu asem no kore na ewo na ma be kire mu ye what I say but me hu some idea or apa sa radio stations for no social media and social media platforms no some of idea o market a lot and on my keke. But na me check here, me say no, I say to me discuss what no. Sage na kasa no. Meaning baby omo pe omo information na free. Up to now yentimi hu ne wure age ankasa. Yen hwa de o say eye city 97.3 FM. Or say again e 14 years. 14 years. Well, yanko inshira 104.5 FM. Ono so again was 17 years. Ono so again was 17 years. Yanko Adom 106.3 FM. Eye Adom TV. Adom FM 106.3 FM. Ono so again was 16 years. Well, if you also yanko Atinka TV Ghana. Atinka TV ono so again was 15 years. So, yentimi mu atwa age na kasa nti minim reporters na kasa ba bi omunye omu information free. Se nipa ba ko pe obia report to different ages and many nipa ba ko bia. City FM so 14 years, Inshira FM 17 years, Adum FM 16 years, na Atinka TV so say 15 years. So which is which? Get na kasa ni age yesen. Nti se Ghana media na kasa so kasa who follow na information bia ba kasa okufola one year da bia no odi negative beba anything as I get a video na kasa me share that video bia fa me person me gather all the information nyina na me pick mu me ya selection na me yimu the good I want na me dey pre mo na nyina ye share. So while yanto another video so abochi bia ono so nam abochi a ono so nam a o say Oton nsa na oton say acid na oton acid na oton ndi boys na musola munun nsa e kwanche ho no munye very careful ye pa e wo sa ade ne ho because anya ba bia na ye tonsa obeton sa ko ba bia otwa lances ko ba bia no wa bia otwa tax e ma ban nti sa nipa bi otwa sa ade bia no food and transport for agile to say or ho kwanya say otonton sa na mo nyese ubia na kwanche ho a oto no ma efiri no ho. Well, yanto another video so who say man no day when na say Ghana sikani ho see cars na alani up yenye babio enye Miami enye California enye New York Ghana na e wona Accra hwe cars esa so wo ho amafo na enjoy amafo na eji omani wo ho no what you say ndi say saji so wo be ka chen say Ghana sikani ho a oh come on scan o tam nya so ye na enyo nduru so enkasa wo de wanya bi na mo fa show tin say o tam nya so ye na mo tam so a obenya bi because na city bia obia be yi eso di show tin say city bia obeyi mi meyi onu so beyi no ho no so be den e beyi hwe cars yes no so bia e customized cars customized cars enye is a car ba ku bia bo no enye bete so what as it is car dey den e wo man mu but to term nya nso ya obegin so de onyanye yie ba se city bia obeye. So yeah kwani mo ne yem keep on to another episode of the day no so one of the Uganda singer on so no stage are performing also performing but yes see okuso performing no meaning so be try say or touch it meaning ohun sa de bo hopafo ti se bo fruit no e bo hokutu ti sa de bi no nto onima de kro nto try say nka o kan hwe ahwe o de ni say kan hwe ahwe de kro na diwia singa man ka say ni paragasa no o se o ti hit fan no but he deserve obi be ka say enu kwan say o ye offensive for sa but offense so no enu kwan so more that advantage no mo call to the stand say even no o private part and I say like adibia ono odi ball on samra ni sa oba me kasa kremba because say sa adi man kasa un say special nti ni din na kasa ne boedin nti se wo gyina ba bi se ni se wo kasa no pese wo boss ade din na like it cool time odwene ho na the way obisi afa so aka asem no so kora na yodi what I say nti e be din sa so today's episode no ye dey besi say sena da bia mo sinim no da bia me bia na leave one of the video no be e wa chiri so what I say so sena da bia see no absolutely definitely it's your boy Ajenko. Peace. I'm out.
Boom! Yo! God! The thing goes skibby pop pop and the poop poop.